Hi there, it's Tom again. Yes, it's me from the mountains of East Tennessee. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set up a plain machine binder. Now this binder is going to be a clean finish. It's going to be a number 520 right angle binder. This is what you're going to have to do. First thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and remove your throw plate. Now, this is called your throw plate. You're going to have to remove that. You're going to have to remove your feed dog. Because when we send you these parts are raised parts. And they're specially built for your right angle binder. Okay, now that we removed your standard throw plate, your feed dog, you take off your presser foot. Okay, now that you removed your parts, okay, first thing you're going to do, you're going to install the feed dog. Now as we're installing this feed dog, the feed dog is raised to match our throw plate and to match our feed.
Okay.
Okay, what we're doing, we're installing our feed dogs. Our feed dogs are raised because of the throw plates are specially built for the binders that we send you. So you'll have to go ahead and change the parts out. And what I mean by raised, they're a little bit thicker than your standard plates that you have in the machine. Okay, so you'll have to change these parts out. Okay, so as we're getting the screws for your feed dogs in, okay, which we're working right now. Up. Let me just screw them on in. I'm covering up a little bit here, so let's get the feed dogs in. Okay, now that I have the feed dogs screwed in, which will normally fit your machine when you get it. Okay, to set up a throw plate, you go ahead and you put your throw plate on, and then you tilt the head of the machine back. Okay, and this screw right here, okay, what you do, you go ahead and loosen this screw here and this screw here, and at the needle's lowest stroke, that'll be the feed dog's highest stroke. So when you come down and you're all the way down, your feed dog will come up through your throw plate, and that's where we get your feed dog height, right here. So you make sure that at the highest stroke on the feed dog is that your feed dog teeth is coming up one tooth high. Then you tilt the head of the machine back, push your feed dog up, and then tighten your screws back. Now once that's done, you go ahead and install your throw plate. Now as we're installing the throw plate, we have everything set on your feed dog height. And then you install your presser foot. Now with this presser foot we have an adjustment on it, okay? And what that does, that kicks the front of the foot up. There's an adjustment screw right in the center of the shank, and I'll show you that in a sec once I get the presser foot on. Okay, now, right here is your adjustment screw in the center of the shank. Now, by tightening this screw in, okay, it will raise the front of the presser foot up. And as you can see, the foot's going up. That helps you cross seams, and it helps you with your binding operation and seams that you're sewing with the binding. You take your binding, run it on through, and then as you get to the front, make a 90-degree turn and drop your presser foot down. Now, make sure that your thread is clear, okay? And then we'll slowly turn it by hand just to get it started. Okay, now back off. As you can see, this is a clean finish binder. Folded both pieces over to give you the clean finish edge. And when you go to sew, pick up the presser foot, run your material in, slowly turn the machine by hand to get it started, and then fire the machine up. And that'll give you a clean finished binding on any piece of material that you'll be sewing. And that's how you set up a right angle binder. Well, that's another trip from Tennessee Attachment. I want to go ahead and thank y'all, and check us on YouTube and Facebook. Any questions, just email us. Have a good day. Happy